one more thing, if I may. Sorry. I want Abraham to talk about animals. Ever since my grandma transitioned, I've talked to Abraham several times about my grandmother, starting as far back as Cancun. But after she transitioned, cardinals have made their way into my reality like crazy. Like there's one on the ceiling. Like, what does that mean? We had a similar conversation.
Well,
I know that the cardinal's not my grandmother.
But influenced by her.
Okay.
Influenced by her, because cardinals have your attention. And one reason is they're bright, and they're around where you are, and they are susceptible. And we don't mean susceptible meaning not creating their own reality. We mean easily influenced by non-physical energy. Birds are so helpful to carry messages to humans because they're around everywhere. They're really mobile. They can get just about everywhere you can. They're really willing messengers, so to speak. So that's what that's all about.
Yeah, it's incredible. My partner got me a birdhouse for Christmas, and it's just beautiful to see them just playing and eating the seeds, and just like at times like 6 or 7 will just fly. And
well, your grandmother would like you to be as influenceable as the cardinals are. You don't need someone to carry you a message. You're capable of hearing it yourself. And a cardinal can only translate so much of a message. The messages that the cardinal transmits are happy day, life is good, but the cardinal can't tell you where the money's buried.
Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you so much.
Enough?
Enough.